thank you. First and foremost, thank you all for being here.
Calendar.
I'm going to say good evening again. Good evening once again. Thank you for being here. Promised Dad is a film with a heart, and I am delighted to be associated with Promised Dad for many, many reasons. The first thing is that it's reunited me with a lot of old friends. Tom Alter Saab, who did Zaban Sambhal Ke with me for years and years. Jugal Hansraj, who was in school with me. Satish Kaushik, who spent 80 marvelous days with me in New York when we shot for Rahab Lot Chale. Rasool, our sound recordist and sound designer, with whom I did my first English film, I forgot to qualify. But apart from this reunion with old friends whom you will all meet after we see the trailer, this film marks the debut of a filmmaker. A filmmaker whose name is Ritesh Sinha. Ladies and gentlemen, he's standing right here. Could we give him a big hand? Ritesh, can I call you? Thank you. Ritesh and me fight every day. He is the director in the true sense of the word. When he makes a film, the budget, how to make it, nothing matters except the vision. And for a director to have vision and to single-handedly produce, direct, edit and write a film in English and to get it a wide release in the United Kingdom, which he will tell you about, is not a small achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an extremely big achievement, which is why I am very proud to be associated with Ritesh and to be associated with the film. I had promised Ritesh, whenever we have the first outing of this film, which is today, I would personally hold him by his hand and introduce him to you, my friends in the industry, and there's a lot of them here. Sudhir is here, Sudhir Mishra, Rahul Bhatt, who's been a very old friend, Avtar, who's been an old friend, Sanjeev Puri, who's written 3 films for me, and so many others. Milab Zaveri, who's Masti Zadeh I'm acting in. And ladies and gentlemen, here you are, Ritesh Sinha, a wonderful new addition to your fraternity.
Thank you, Vivek. I think you have said a lot more than what I deserve. Well, but it's true that it takes your life to make a feature film if you're doing it all by yourself. I think a lot of you will identify with this phenomena. And the only problem was that I wanted to make this in an English film because I felt that the story set in the world of ice skating and yet a very emotional story about a father and a son has a wider global appeal. But it was a kind of a journey to engage with people to see if I can get funding and backing and which didn't happen. Then apparently I had to discuss with my family. I sold a couple of my flats in Bombay and this is what you will see. And I hope I don't go down the drain into the sea. I hope something comes out of it. But I'm happy. I think it's just begun and I really wanted that promise that though I'm looking at the global scenario, I wanted कि अपने मुंबई से इसकी journey शुरू हो. So I'm very happy that you all have come. I'd like to show you the trailer first. It's just a glimpse of the entire story what Promised Dad is all about. And once you have seen the trailer, I'd like all my cast and crew to join me on this celebration. So let's have a look at the trailer first. Thank you so much. This is just a kind of a teaser to the story, what Promised Dad is all about. And it's not just a story about, I would say just an individual, but it's about a mindset that sometimes we have to go beyond our circumstances, what we are conditioned, and then perhaps we get what we deserve in life. So I think I'm hopeful that this kind of a story is a human story, and it should connect with the audiences, irrespective of what nation or what language we are talking about. But this journey wouldn't have been possible if, to start with, I would say, if Resul wouldn't have read my script and said that it's a nice script, why don't you go ahead and try making it? Or if Satish ji wouldn't have said that, I like the script and I like to play Raman's character. So, I mean, it's just, filmmaking is actually a collaborative effort, so the journey has to be together. And I take this opportunity to invite all my team members one by one to be with me and just be part of this celebration. And I'll start with Satish ji, you if you can join me. Come on guys, come on, loud cheer. Thank you Satish ji for being here. He's been a great support, and I think he performed so well. I remember he had his, he had three pages of dialogues, and he would arrive 2 hours or an hour before the time I would actually officially ask him to, and I would see him rehearsing, you know, that he said, no, I want to give my perfection. And imagine, I mean, he's a legend. This is my first film. I don't know how many you have done, but still he had that passion. So thank you, sir, for supporting this little endeavor of mine, and I hope if you can say a few words.
Hi, good evening everyone. This is a very important film because Ritesh is a very dear friend, colleague. He has worked with me before, and when he narrated me the subject of Promised Dad, I thought it was a very compact, emotional and very human drama told in a very, very emotional manner. And I loved the part which he gave me. It was my outing after Brick Lane and Road Movie as an international film and an English film. And it was great honor and great enjoyment to do this film because the background of the film was skating, which was very new to us, but it was very exciting on the screen. And if you see on the screen the kind of skating stunts this boy has done, he's not here, I think he's not come, Tom is not here, and he chose him out of the blue. He's not even an actor, he's just a skater. But the kind of performance he has given is amazing. So I congratulate you and everybody connected with the Promised Dad. It is going to be a very, very interesting film, very heartwarming, heart-wrenching film, you can say that. And congrats Ritesh, best of luck to you and best of luck to everyone.